Here is the Konica C35AF overall conditions. Okay, and here is the battery compartment using 2 AA battery. Just put accordingly. Here will show you the way to put like you see here inside here, and the cap also here also will show like positive in inside, then the negative. Oops. Then we just close it like that. Then we by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. Then here's the film. We need to slap from the bottom to the top, and the film tip we insert into like, and it simply hold up here and wind it. Okay, close it. How to make sure whether you have loaded the film properly? It's quite easy. When you have loaded, then you turn a bit like this. Then when it's tight, then you stop it. Then when you wind, look at here. If you wind together, which means that you have loaded the film properly. Okay. Next is here to adjust the ISO. Just now the film is 400, so we just adjust to 400 ISO will do. Okay. Then all the way you just shoot, wind and shoot. And you look into the viewfinder, you will find out at the center point here got a bracket, so you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus. Half press, you see the top here got a green light, which means that it's okay. Then you just click it, then we'll shoot. And here we'll show you the focus distance. Like example, if I aim very far, then it will like come up. Okay. And during like indoor situation, indoor or night, you must open the flash by pushing this button. While when you want to push, you put one hand on the top of the flash, let it pop up slowly. Okay. Now we wait for the flash to charge. When it's fully charged, here we have an orange light. Okay, it's light up, means that it's okay. Then we just click it. And it will also recharge again. When you didn't use it, then only you push it down, like that. Okay, and here we'll record how many shots you have took. You just shoot until like you cannot wind anymore. You can feel that there's a resistance. Then you stop it. Click the bottom here, the button. Okay, and flip here up. Here will show you the way to rewind. Just rewind until it becomes very loose. Okay. Means that it's okay. Then we just open it and took out the film and take to develop. Close it. So overall it's like this. Hope you enjoyed.